So we have already installed the gates and windows. So now in this video we'll come to this option for furniture and objects, and we'll add furniture, table, chair, whatever you want to add. So we will add one by one. So now make it 2D. Now suppose I want to add table, chair and a laptop in the office. So I'll come here, select and catalog office furniture. So you can take any tables. Suppose I am taking this table, apply and drag and place it here. So table is added. Now I will add chair. So whatever you are adding from the catalog, it will come here in object. So I have already used this before, so I can directly use it from here. So I can now take the chair and place the chair here, and take one laptop, place it over the table. So now see in the 3D view and go to the office. So now you can see this is not properly placed, so you have to place it here and rotate. So table, chair and laptop is already placed. So similarly you can place any object or furniture you want to place in all the room. Now you can directly copy this and paste here in this office also, and just you have to rotate this. And move it little bit and see in 3D model. So in office 2 also it is placed properly, and this is office 1. Suppose I want to add a table, few chairs and a writing desk for the conference room. So I'll take those. Let's say this is a big table. You can scale this and move it little bit. Now I'll place chairs for the table. Let's say this time I'm taking this chair. Or you can directly place multiple chairs at a time. Suppose draw a rectangular arrangement. Four chair is added. You can see in 3D model chairs are placed in a wrong direction. So we have to rotate this. You can rotate this chair from here also. So all that 4 chairs is placed. Similarly, I want to do this here, opposite side also. Or you can directly copy and paste it here, or you can make the rectangular shape and all the 4 chairs will be added. Now I want to add a single chair, so place an individual object also. You can select this option also, drag and drop it here. Let's move it to place it in the center, place it at the center. and you can take a single chair for the presenter also. And rotate this. Move it closer to the table. Now suppose I want to add a writing board. You can select from the catalog, office furniture, technical board. Let's see. Table is placed in a wrong direction. So we have to rotate this. Now see in the 3D view. So the writing board, chairs, all the chairs and the table is placed properly. Wash basin for the toilet and a commode. Wash basin is placed in a wrong direction, so I have to rotate this. So in the next video, we'll learn how to color this. Whatever color you want to do, we'll learn in the next slide.